we are in Old Key West, room, what'd we say, Sarah, 1323?
Yes.
This is not one of the refurbished rooms. They have not made it to Hospitality House yet, which I'm kind of glad because I really like the old style room, but we've got our magic bands, no problems there. And we did link our reservations, which was really easy, so we won't have to change rooms. So I'm just gonna take you on a tour of a 2-bedroom villa. This one is near the Hospitality House, so we're literally right across the street from where bus picks you up and where the restaurants are. And let's take our tour. Okay, Sarah, I'm walking around. Okay, this is Sarah's room. Hey, Sarah. She's got 2 queen-size beds. This is also, gosh, you've got a lot of windows in here, Sarah.
I do.
She's got windows on either side. And you've got a bathroom in here with just a single sink. And then huge shower, which is awesome. Toilet area. And then another really cute vanity. One thing I love about these units, you've got a blow dryer on the wall there, is how much storage space you have. I feel like you could literally live here for a month, right? Big closet here, plenty of hangers. And then this is the living area. We've got, this is pulls out into a single bed. My kids have slept on that many times. It's super comfortable. And that pulls out into a double sleeper sofa. And then you've got your breakfast nook with a little secondary area over there. You've got a huge kitchen, like you could seriously do cooking in here. And I'm gonna turn around this way so you guys can see. These are the biggest units on Walt Disney World property, and it is like you could host a cocktail party in here. And then you go out here, oops, let's unlock our door. And we have a beautiful patio with a table and 4 chairs, and we are right on the golf course. Hello, Florida. Beautiful, wow. Such a gorgeous day. Okay, coming back in this way. Again, we'll walk through the family room. Oh, let me show you guys, and just so you can see how big the refrigerator is. Full-size refrigerator, full-size freezer. I don't think any of this stuff is changing with the refurbishment. Maybe it is. Full-size microwave, full oven, full dishwasher, tons of storage up here. You've got plates and bowls and Pyrex. And over here you've got all of your glassware. And then even more storage up here where you've got a blender. We got a blender, Sarah. We could do margaritas. We've got a blender and a cheese grater and a bowl and a pitcher. And open space there. And then under the sink is just standard. You've got your garbage can and another garbage can. And then you should have, yeah, you've got your cooking pots and pans are over here. You've got a cookie sheet, or actually that's for the broiler, it looks like. And then we've got our broiler is in there. And if you come around this way, your television is here. And I think this all gets changed in the refurbishment. Okay, where were we? Nice wood floors. I didn't show you guys this little closet when you first come in, which has, you definitely have a little electric broom and a vacuum cleaner and a high chair. A little place to set your bag. We're gonna go this way. This is the piece de la resistance. This is your full-size washer and dryer, not stackable, full-size. Laundry basket up above. Iron and ironing board. And then I'm gonna come this way. This is the master with a king-size bed. And you've got your nightstands, table, and plenty of drawers. This opens up as well. So again, or at least I thought it did. Oh, I lied. Oh, it has drawers, that's why. There's drawers in there. So again, ridiculous amount of storage. You could move here for a month. We're only here 3 nights, but. And again, 2 pretty windows and another door that goes out onto the gorgeous patio area. Balcony, sorry.
Did you see your outfit?
Whose outfit? Oh no! Oh, Sarah put my outfit on the bed! Ah! I have to try it on! Okay, that's for another post. Okay, I'll better try it on in just a minute. In here you've got a big jacuzzi tub. I think those are going away with the refurbishment. Sad trombone. All of your toiletries. Pass through. The sink and a mirror. More storage over here. Over here you've got a huge closet. You've got extra bedding up there. That's for the beds that are in the other room. And then you've got your pack and play right there. And then in here is the shower, toilet, kind of dated pictures. There's me in the mirror with my ears on. Really big shower. And there you have it. That is our total tour. I absolutely love this resort. It feels very comfortable to me. I've seen pictures of the refurbishment and it doesn't look too extreme, really just looks updated, which is good because I'm really happy with the layout.